Hey guys, welcome back to ʟɪྡᴇ Solution. This is a video that I'm going to show you how to replace a touch pad of any phone without a ʔɪṛ machine. Yes, we're going to do this manually without using a machine. So if you are new to this channel, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified when we upload new video on this channel. I want to thank all the subscribers. Thank you for always being there with us. Thank you for always staying with us. Now, this is a phone that the touchpad is damaged. Now I'm about to replace it. So what are the things you need? You need a screw that you can use to hold the phone firm as we're about to do the process. Start the process on this replacement. So you just have to put screws on different corners of it. You can see I have up to like 6 screws securing the phone, making it firm. Yes, you don't need someone to hold the phone for you when you want to do that. So you need a razor as well in this process, and you also need a separation wire. Yes, you need a separation wire, one of 0.88 mm. Yes, as you can see in Coco products, you need a separation wire for this separation to be done successfully. Yes, so if you want to know how you can get this separation wire, I might drop a link of the comment section for you on how you can get it. So you see the two things there. Now the other thing we need now is you need a flask, something that you can use to slide the glass out if it's proving difficult after separation. Then you also need your blower, we call it heater gun. So this heater gun will help you to heat it so that the gum on it will get soft and easy for the wire to slide in. Yes, but at the same time you just have to be very careful when using this heater gun so that you won't damage the screen. Yes, so this is stuff. Now you have to heat carefully, adjust your heat to the minimum degree, like 2 here, and put it at 2 so that you know how much heat on the screen. Because when you are doing it, you just have to still be observant. When this phone is overheat, you will see something like black ink on the screen. Do not be afraid. So all you need to do then is just for you to reduce the heat, remove the heat, use that heat that's already on the phone. Just try to slide it. When you see it's cooling down, continue again, apply another heat. So that is how this process is going to be. So this is it. So I'm applying the heat right now. As you can see, applying the heat all around the phone. Then using my razor. The purpose of this razor is for me to pick a starting point. Yes, without this razor you cannot have a starting point. And also this touchpad I'm going to replace, if you notice, is broken. So it's very difficult to separate a broken touchpad and a full touchpad that is fully arranged without destruction or any damaged area. So that's why you really need this razor for this separation. So when you reach some parts that are broken, why am I missing the track? So you have to use the razor to rearrange it back to the track. So that's what we're going to do now. So let's show you how the process goes. Now I've arranged my separation wire and use the razor to pick the edge. I'm looking for a way for that wire to go in so that I can start tearing the screen or moving the touchpad, as you can see. So you just have to make sure you are on the right track. So that's the purpose of that reason. So at this point it's proving difficult, but we just have to be patient with it. So that is it. So be patient with it. Okay. So it's always good, advisable, when separating a touchpad, especially manually like this. It's advisable for you to keep the phone on, let the phone be charged, so that you can be monitoring the screen to see if you apply too much heat. so that you can know when to stop, because sometimes you might be just pulling the heating and the heat is damaging the screen, so we don't want that to happen. So this process is very 100% safe, but at the same time it can still damage your screen. Yes, so let's wait, just watch as the process goes. Remember, you just have to watch this video, understand it very well before you start the process. Good. So you just have to watch. It's not on-job training. You have to watch, understand before you start the process. It's an easy thing, yes, but once you understand it, understand the basis, the principle behind it, you will succeed. Please drop your comment in the comment section if it really works for you. So if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do it to hit the subscribe button down there on your screen, and also hit on notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new video on this channel. Alright, so we're almost there. The starting point is coming out gradually. Now, as you can see, yes, let's see. Is it? So I'm just applying a little heat. Possible you can need someone to help you apply the heat, and it starts sliding, as you can see. So the starting point for the broken touchpad is very difficult. Now I've gotten the point now, and if you look carefully, the wire has slid in successfully, and now at this point we are removing it. You can see the right corner close to the blade. You see how the wire is moving inside the touchpad. You can see it. Yes, so that is what you want to achieve. Just make sure that the wire is moving freely. Don't try to force it. If you try to force it, your separation wire will cut. So when there's enough heat, the wire will just move smoothly inside the glass. So just be patient. So when you observe any obstruction, stop and just check what could be the cause. Because the moment you try to force it, might even damage the screen, and that will not be full fun. Though as technician, I always advise all technicians, before receiving any touchpad separation, always let the customer know that it is a 50-50 work, that the screen might get damaged and it might not get damaged. Doing that will save you from expenses that you do not plan for. So that is it. So you can see going, it's sliding in now freely. You can see the other side, left corner side. So hope you can see how the wire is flowing inside, guys. Good. So that is what you want to be seeing, that the wire is flowing, and that means work is going smoothly. Yes, that's it. That's our goal. Alright, just keep on applying heat, and when you are applying the heat, make sure you are applying the heat on top of the wire. Don't apply the heat on areas that you are not moving to. Like for example, the top, now you have passed that place. Don't apply any heat to that place. Just be applying the heat to the place you are going, so that it will be moving smoothly. Hope that is clear, guys. Okay, just keep on applying the heat. Pulling. You can see how it's moving. You can see how it's moving. You can see it. Good. So the purpose of that heat is to wick the gum, so that the wire can flow more freely inside. Alright, so that is it, guys. That's it. See the ink I'm talking about, that black ink. So that shows that this very spot is overheated. So you just have to remove the heat, and you keep on sliding with that very heat that is in that screen at that moment. So when you stay for some time, apply the heat again, and it will move smoothly. Alright, just keep on watching. Watch that at the end and see the end result of how this separation is going to turn out, guys. Many people have been coming to my DM, give us a separation, how to separate a touchpad manually without using the ʟɪꯙᴇ machine, and here is it, guys. So give this video a thumbs up, share this video, so that you too can recommend this video to other people and they can benefit from it. Alright, see, it's moving. Alright, be patient with it. Don't rush, my technicians. Don't rush. Separating a touchpad, you don't need to rush. Look at it now, it's moving. Good. It's moving. You can see how the wire is sliding inside, moving freely, because there's enough heat for the wire to move. So that is what I want to achieve when separating a touchpad. You see, there's nothing yet happened to the screen. It's still good. So let's continue with that same process. Just continue to apply and continue to drag it to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right. See, so that's just the move. That's just the movement you want to be doing. Move to the left, slide to the right, slide to the left. So that is it. Just keep on applying your heat and be sliding. You don't need any special thing. You don't need the ʿɪꯙᴇ machine on this process. You just need your separation wire, your heater, razor, and that is it, guys. Right. You see as I'm sliding it? Left, right, good. And you can see how it's moving smoothly. Don't rush. And you see, as I'm pulling, the phone is not even moving because it has a firmly grip, so it's not even shaking. So this one make the work so easy, guys. So at this very point, there is a connection. There's a clip, I would say a flex like connected to the touchpad. So when you get to that way, please cut it. You can see the black ink now. It should happen is overheated, but there's no problem. It will clear off. Yes. So just pull it and cut it. Good. We are there, guys. Let's see how it turns out. Just watch. Wow. This is not amazing. There is no ʿɪꯙᴇ machine here on this process. Just our separation wire and heater gun. That is all, guys. We have successfully separated this touchpad without using the ʿɪꯙᴇ machine. Wow. Is that not amazing? Wow. You can see? Good. So the first process is out. So if you can look very well, you see that there is still gum on the screen. The gum that the manufacturer used to gum the screen and the touchpad together, the glass together. So you see, so at this point, you need a foil or any other chemical that can easily remove the gum from the screen. So just apply some foil that can weaken the gum on the screen. You can use your brush to apply it. Some people use rags. So whatever mix you want to use to apply the foil, please do it. You can see? So that is it. So I want to apply more foil so that the foil can weaken the gum, so it can be able for us and easy to peel off those gum from it. So that is it. That's all I want to do. Alright. Just watch and see how we're going to remove this gum now. This is another stage of it. The first stage is out and we are happy for that. Now this is the second stage, pulling this. One of my students mistakenly pulled and damaged the screen because he was trying to scrape his gum. Just watch how I'm going to do it so that you will not work in vain. Just imagine passing the stress of removing the glass, and at this point you break the glass. So it's not so funny at all. It's not fun. So you just watch till the end and see how this is going to be possible. Please guys, if you have not hit on subscribe button, hit on it. It does not cost anything, it's for free. Hit on it so that you continue to learn from our channel and share this video. Now you can use your razor. Yes, you can use your razor, or you can also use if you buy the complete set of screwdriver, there's a rubber America or India, you can just use it to scrape this gum after applying. So that's it. See how it's going? Wow, guys, wow, it is not amazing? See, so easy, bro. Yes, just take your time. Working on touchpad does not require one to rush. Yes. So why we face these difficulties is when you are separating touchpad for the first time. After this separation, you face a new one. You won't have to go through this process anymore. But this usually happens when you are separating a new screen for the first time. So you see, we have been able to clean the screen, the gum out of the screen successfully. Wow, it's not loving, guys. This is not so easy, not even using the ʔɪṛ machine for this process. So guys, share your thoughts on this video, share so they can benefit from it. See you in our next video.